So, hi guys! Welcome back again sa aking mini vlog dito sa ating Bigo account. So, you guys are wondering bakit hindi na ako active sa Bigo account. Siguro this is my final farewell na lang talaga. So, I hate to admit it, but ever since last year, way back 2023, I was so grateful kasi andyan si Bigo way back 2022 na nag-help sa akin sa journey ko. But, ito kasi yun eh, nung nag-start ako ng The Talents Agency, there are lots of people na gustong sumali. In fact, there's 600 hosts na under sa akin. And more people are still chatting me, requesting on how to join in Bigo. But I cannot, hindi ko na sila maano kasi I accidentally terminate my agency. I've been trying to contact admins from Bigo PH. This is not a bash, this is not a, alam niyo yun, hindi to something na binaano ko yung mga admins, inaaway. But I've been trying to contact them, wala sila magagawa dun. And I've been trying to reapply as a manager sa Bigo, but sadly hindi na edible, hindi na reliable yung account ko. It's been like months. Nawala ako ng pag-asa. It's time to say goodbye to Bigo sa manager. Sorry sa lahat ng mga nakakita ng videos ko na hindi ko na kayo maasikaso. But you can also apply to another agency. Mahirap siyang iwanan yung bagay na tumulong sa iyo at gusto mo rin makatulong sa mga tao. Alam yan ng most of my host sa Bigo. And I'm really sorry kung disappoint ko kayo. I'll try to assist you guys. I'll try to give you a proper agency, a best agency that I can give. You can contact is PHSTK, PSG Del, Queen Empire. Marami pa sila PH Lab sa Reddit too. Kasi time goes by, hirap na eh. Nagkamali lang ako Ito, I wanna break the silence, but una-una sa lahat, bakit ko siya na-terminate? First, may mag-terminate na host, sana yung nasend ko na termination is for agency. It was a big mistake. Pero pagkatapos nun, hindi ko naman lang sinabi sa kanila kasi it doesn't affect them naman. Just in case na-terminate yung agency ko, kikita pa rin naman sila. Parang ganun, na hindi ko na lang siya minine na sabihin sa kanila, i-chika sa kanila. So, ayun, as time goes by, 1 month pass, nagtaka na sila, hindi na ako masyadong active kasi I've been working on trying to contact admins ng Bigo sa Philippine base. How to do, what to do, para may balik yung agency ko. They can't do anything. Kasi nagawa na, nangyari na eh. So ayun, I've been finding ways, reapplying. They never accept it anymore. So I hope na sa mga nakakita nito, hindi kayo mawala ng pag-asa. May mga agency pa naman po dito sa Bigo na talagang maganda din naman. Patanda ng GCOL. So, sa mga co-managers ko dyan, tatanong, saan ano na nangyari sa 600 hosts mong hinandle? They are now handled by PH Bigo 2, they can find their own PKs, they can, basta ilagay lang na PHB ko 2, then sa family badge, you guys can have it. I don't know what to do anymore, kasi, parang feel ko na din na it's so down na talaga. Kasi, siya, like, ayoko na din ma-stress. Nakakapagod kasi ma-stress. At the same time, parang gusto ko na din mag-focus sa buhay ko as an actor. But I'm going to miss you guys. You can also add me, follow me on my Facebook page, Delph Pasilo 18. Add me on my supplement, Delph Pasilo 18. It's just here na yung username ko dito, rather yung Bigo ID ko dito is wala kayong jowa. Yun lang yung Bigo ID ko dito. You can follow me there guys, update for then you can ask me there. Maybe I will try to answer your questions about Bigo, but I really can't promise na I can answer all of them. Kasi, ayun nga, maybe it's time to say goodbye to Bigo. Maybe not goodbye. Siguro pahinga na ako. Hindi ko lang alam kung magbabalik ako sa Bigo. So, if you guys are asking, it's a really hard thing. Kasi Bigo is part of me talaga. Kahit na maliit yung kinikita ko as a manager. Hindi siya biro. So right now, I hope guys, you're having a good day, great day. But yung mga videos ko about Bigo vlogs, about Bigo is still available on my YouTube channel. You can just search Delph Pinday Official, rather Delph Pasilo 18 on YouTube. Andun siya, naka-playlist po yun. Kung may mga request pa kayo mga vlogs, you can just see it there. See you soon guys. Thank you so much sa pagtiwala. I really appreciate it, and laban lang po tayo sa pangarap. Huwag sumuko. Ganito talaga ang buhay. May aalis, may darating, may iiyak, may tatawa. So, it's time. It's time to say goodbye.